Never memorize something that you can look up. The more I learn about people, the more I like my dog. Blind belief in authority is the greatest enemy of truth. Try not to become a man of success. Rather, become a man of value. The two most important days in your life are the day you are born and the day you find out why. Two things are infinite, the universe and human stupidity, and I'm not sure about the universe. Weakness of attitude becomes weakness of character. If you don't read the newspaper, you are uninformed. If you read the newspaper, you are Give every day the chance to become the most beautiful day of your life. We can't solve problems by using the same kind of thinking we used when we created them. Never argue with stupid people. They will drag you down to their level and then beat you with experience. Science without religion is lame. Religion without science is blind. Kindness is the language which the deaf can hear and the blind can see. Peace cannot be kept by force. It can only be achieved by understanding. Politicians and diapers must be changed often, and for the same reason. Education is what remains after one has forgotten everything he learned in school.